Welcome to Around the Table. I love home and I love food, and this is where we bring the two together. I have a guest with me today. This is my mom, Tamra, who we call TamTams. Last year, like almost a year to the day, we were in your bonus room, decorating that empty space and bringing it to life. And now we're in my kitchen and I'm gonna share a recipe with you. My mom would make French toast for us for like special occasion breakfasts growing up. She'd do a little orange zest in there and it was delicious. And so today we're doing our own spin on French toast. And this is berry and almond brioche French toast. So growing up, TamTams was of the mindset that basic bread was not okay for French toast, only brioche. That's the way we make French toast. So that's what we're starting with. And these are basic French toast ingredients, but it's the way that we're mixing them and bringing them together and the proportions that give it that really special experience. We're taking it to the next level by adding a little crumble on the top. So we're gonna do this almond, maple, and oat little crumble. And not only does it taste good, but anytime that you can sprinkle something like that on top and then add berries and a mountain of fresh whipped cream, we're gonna take it to the next level. Yeah. So I've got my brioche sliced and ready to go, but first, before we make the French toast, we're going to make the crumble. I've got 1 cup of almonds sliced, and then we've got 1/3 cup of oats. We've got 1.5 tablespoons maple syrup and 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter. So then we'll mix that up until everything is coated. And then we are going to head over to the stove and toast it. So a few tips when you're toasting your crumble. We want the heat at medium-low. Just kind of stir it around until it becomes lightly fragrant. So you're gonna smell the maple and the nuts and the oats come together, and then you'll take that off the heat and then spread it out on some parchment so that it doesn't steam. You want it to dry out so it maintains its crunch. So we're gonna add this to the pan. So this is nice and golden and fragrant. I'm gonna pour this on the plate. Okay, you ready? All right.
Yes, a little bit.
A little bit, yeah, okay. So I've got another guest with me, Margot, and the older girls will be coming home soon from school, and it is time to make the French toast. I tested this recipe over a month ago and have made it many times since because it is a family favorite. You gonna help me make the French toast?
I like cheese.
You like cheese. Okay. One note is I set my oven to 225 and I put in an empty 9x13 pan so that I can put in the French toast as I go and keep it warm before serving. All right, you ready, Marks? Let's put it in a bowl. We got our bowl. To make the custard, I've got 3 egg yolks, 2 eggs, and then we're gonna add in the half and half. Do you wanna help me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Together.
Together.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so then I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons vanilla. 2 tablespoons vanilla. We want that flavor. 2 tablespoons sugar. You wanna help me do, let's do it together. You ready? Ooh, yeah. And then half a teaspoon salt. Yep. And we're gonna whisk it together.
Yeah.
You wanna help me? Oh, yeah. You gotta keep mixing and mixing so it's perfectly mixed, and that way you don't get like pieces of like egg yolk on your French toast, and then you'll get like bits of scrambled. Like it's not good. So make sure it's really mixed. So you can see I got a whole plate of butter ready.
Yeah.
And I've sliced this by the half tablespoon, and each pat of butter will be used for each piece of French toast. Okay, so I've got my pan over medium-low heat, and I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of butter. Get this melted. Oh yeah. Because it's brioche and it has a lot of egg in it, we're going to do a quick dip. Don't let it stay in the custard too long.
Do you want me to take over?
Okay. So we've got 3 pieces of French toast, and how many girls here? 3. Okay, so syrup, powdered sugar, crumble, berries, and fresh whipped cream. What are you doing?
I get to whipped cream. I'm I'm gonna do everything but
Okay, what about you, Margot? What are you gonna put on yours?
I like this. I like this. I like this.
Oh, nice. How about you, Ives?
What is all of it?
All of it. Okay.
All of it, girl.
Me too. Okay, let's dish up and then we'll go sit at the table, okay? It's so fun to cook with my mom and kids and just spend time together. And for me, taking it to the next level is all about a great tablescape. And cheers, Margot. Yep. So we'll show you all the ingredients to get the French toast and get the tablescape look in the description below. And we'll see you around the table next time.